Getting you more details on the state of Maharashtra, the suspense over the Chief Minister nearing its end. Decks appear to be clear for Devendra Fadnavis to reclaim the Chief Ministership, pending BJP High Command's final nod. Eknath Shinde has reportedly been informed that Devendra Fadnavis will take the CM's post, initially opposed to the Deputy CM role. Shinde later softened his stance, but is demanding the Home Ministry for himself. This comes after top Mahayuti leaders Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar held a late-night meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi. The discussions reportedly centered on cabinet berth allocations, with BJP pushing for a larger share of 20 ministries. Another crucial meeting is scheduled in Mumbai to finalize the CM phase, with an oath-taking ceremony also expected either on the 2nd or the 5th of December.
महायुतीची महाबैठक झाली, अतिशय सकारात्मक झाली आणि आता पहिली बैठक झाली. आता पुन्हा उद्या बैठक होईल आणि त्यातून निर्णय होईल. महायुतीचा मुख्यमंत्री आणि महायुतीची मंत्रिमंडळ गटित होईल.
उद्याची बैठक कुठे होणार आहे? मुंबईत की दिल्लीमध्येच होणार आहे?
उद्या मुंबईत होईल.
काही चर्चेला काही तथ्य नाहीये. आम्ही सगळ्यांनी पहिल्यांदा ठरवलं होतं की कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये भाजप, शिवसेना, राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस, आरपीआय, आठवले आणि इतर सगळे आमचे घटक पक्ष आहेत, त्या सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर आपण जास्तीत जास्त जागा निवडून आणायच्या आणि पुन्हा एकदा या राज्यामध्ये महायुतीचं सरकार आणायचं हे आमचं पहिलं टार्गेट होतं. ते टार्गेट आम्ही यशस्वी केलेलं आहे. मी या निमित्तानं महाराष्ट्रातल्या तमाम मतदार बंधू भगिनी यांचं आभार मानतो, त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो, त्यांचा कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करतो. त्यांनी खूप मोठी आमच्यावर विश्वास टाकलेला आहे. आम्ही जे सांगितलेले ते त्यांनी ऐकलेले आहे. आता जबाबदारी आमच्यावर वाढलेली आहे.
क्या निगोसिएशन हो रहे? परसों ही माननीय एकनाथ जी शिंदे जो केयरटेकर सीएम है, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं कोई अटकाव नहीं डालना चाहता, मैं कोई बाधा नहीं बनना चाहता सीएम पद को लेकर. उन्होंने पूरा विश्वास जताया है माननीय मोदी जी पर और माननीय अमित शाह जी पर. हमने उनको अपना नेता चुना है. जो कोई भी पार्टी की तरफ से बात करनी है या कितने पोर्टफोलियोज मांगने हैं, क्या होगा, ये सारा हमने उन पर छोड़ दिया है.
Vidya getting in more detail, joining us from Mumbai at this point in time. Vidya, how soon are we expecting a formal announcement?
Well, it would take a while. It's not going to be an urgent announcement that we would see probably in a day or two. In fact, it is being said that the decision that would be taken today in a meeting that is going to be held between Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, it will only decide the portfolio distribution. So today, the portfolio distribution discussions would happen, then that would be conveyed to Delhi, and then Delhi would really determine as to who and what will be happening. But remember, there are two important issues. One, of course, the announcement of the Chief Minister and the cabinet as well, but also the legislative party meet of the BJP is still pending. Ajit Pawar faction has held their meeting. They have elected Ajit Pawar as its leader. Eknath Shinde faction of the Shiv Sena has held its meeting and elected Eknath Shinde as the leader of their party. But the BJP hasn't done so. So that will be probably happening in a day or two. Of course, before the announcement is done, that should have to happen. And only after the meeting is held, the political leaders, whoever is to be elected is elected. And then a formal announcement of the Chief Minister will be done, is what is being said by the BJP leaders.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment, Vidya, getting in those details as far as the announcement for the next Chief Minister is concerned. The meetings have been held, though no statement has been issued by the Mahayuti just yet. There will be another round of meeting, is what we know.